Guys, so I just finished up doing my makeup. I'm super excited to be bringing you guys along with me today. I'm going to be doing another vlog, a day in my life video today, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you do. I am going to go make breakfast, and then me and my mom are going to go get our hair done together. It is around 8 a.m. It's Saturday. I'm so excited to get my hair done, you guys. It's been like way too long, so I'm super excited to bring you guys along with me today. It's gonna be so much fun, but I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, and then I'm gonna go downstairs, make breakfast, and then I'm gonna leave. So I figured I'd show you guys my outfit real quick. Okay guys, so I just threw my hair up in a big bun, but I just have on this striped shirt from Romway, a little monogram necklace that is from Etsy. I have some red chino shorts from GRWM on. I absolutely love these, and I painted my nails last night this really fun red color. So I just thought it was like fun to wear red shorts with red nails. And then I just have on my little Stuart Weitzman loafers that I just got for my birthday. I think they're so cute with the little bow, and that is the fit. I kind of feel like my go-to pink purse might clash with this outfit. We might have to switch it up today. I think this cutie might do. I think it matches the outfit pretty well, if I do say so myself. Guys, it is so cold out. It's 55 degrees, which I mean, it's not like super cold, but I was not expecting that. I wish I would have worn long pants, but it's okay. I'm not complaining. I can change later. And I'm just waiting on my mom, but I cleaned my car yesterday, and I don't know about you guys, but like when your car is like super clean, you just feel like really good. Like it's just so clean. I cleaned the inside, I didn't clean the outside. I'll take it like to Mike's or something later, but it's super clean, and I haven't cleaned my car since last Christmas, which is so embarrassing, but it was getting so dirty, but it's finally clean and it smells really good, and I just thought I'd give you that little update since I'm sitting in my car by myself. But I'm so excited to get my hair done, you guys. I'm so excited. I didn't get my hair like dried or anything, but it's done. It looks so good. I'm so happy. It's so blonde, but I'm just on my way home now. I'm probably gonna get lunch and maybe go golfing. I'm not really sure. It might happen, might not, but I'll keep you guys updated. So me and my dad are gonna go hit a bucket of golf balls. I'm super excited. I've been getting into it so much lately. It's just so much fun. It's so relaxing, and I love being able to spend time with my dad. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit because it's like kind of sporty. So I just have on this sparkly gray workout tank top. This is from Athletica. Then I just have an LA sports bra on, my Lululemon Align leggings, and these super cute Nikes that I got at the outlet store. I think it's such a fun, easy, like sporty outfit, and my hair is just in a bun. It's still really wet. I just want you guys to know I'm not like a golfer or anything. I've hit a bucket of balls last week and it was a lot of fun, and I've done it like maybe 2 years ago. I've never actually gone golfing before, but you know, it's really enjoyable. It's like really relaxing, and I'm just so excited just to get outside and everything and just to spend time with my dad. But I by no means know how to play golf. Just putting that out there, but I'm super excited. We're gonna get going now, and it just got really dark. Oh my gosh. Cool. am back from golfing. It was so much fun. I got some footage, but I came home and I was like, I should get the fall decor stuff out. So I have a bunch of these fake leaves from last year, and I have this super cute sparkly pumpkin. So I'm gonna decorate my room, and I did put new pillows on my bed. Look how cute they are. I got these at Target last year. I think I'll insert a card if you guys want to watch that vlog, but they just say boo. I feel like that's so cute. I'm just gonna put some fall decor in my room because I'm gonna be filming some fall videos today. I have to get filming, and I got a few things in the mail too, so we're gonna do a little unboxing once I get some fall decor set up. Okay guys, so I have my cute little gold pumpkin. It's so sparkly. I just think it's so adorable. These little leaves. I have these cute little lights and they're little pumpkins around my computer for the background of my videos. Then I put this little string of fake leaves up. I just think it's so cute, and I have like another little pile of leaves. I added some more little leaves to my tassels, and of course I have my cute little Halloween pillows. I think it's so cute. It's not too overwhelming or anything, but my room definitely feels like fall. I'm so excited because I think when this vlog goes up, it will be October. It's so crazy to me, but I seriously love October. It's so much fun. But I am going to do my hair real quick and just like flat iron it or something, and then we're going to do a little unboxing, and I might be going out later tonight. I'm not 100% sure, but I still need to film a few videos for this upcoming week, so that is the game plan at the moment. So I ended up curling my hair just because I feel like I've been wearing it straight so much, but I really do like straight hair. But I'm going out later tonight with a few of my friends, and I decided it'd be fun to like spice it up a little bit. So I curled it. I used my Numi curling wand. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I curl my hair, I think I have one on my channel already, so I'll insert a card. But I'm super excited because I got my fall decor up. It's just finally starting to feel like fall, even though it's supposed to get warm tomorrow, but you know, we're okay with that. And I got the cutest stuff in the mail today. I'm so beyond excited. So if you guys watched yesterday's video, which was a haul, it was like an unboxing. I got my LILLY after party stuff, and I was going on and on about like not sure if my one order went through, and I was like, it's so weird, and it came in the mail after I finished filming that. So got my package, which I'm super excited about because I got the cutest thing. I mentioned I got a swimsuit, and I am so excited about this because I wanted to get the swimsuit so badly when they came out, but it was just like so expensive, and I already bought my swimsuit because I typically just buy like one more expensive swimsuit each summer. So I got this super cute one piece, you guys. It's like pink and green. You guys know that's my color scheme, and it's so adorable. It has the crisscrossy back on it, which I just think is gonna look so great in pictures, like at the beach. It's just gonna be so flattering because it's a one piece, and I love one pieces. I feel like they're super trendy, but they're also great when you actually want to swim, so that way your like swimsuit top doesn't like come off or anything. We don't want any of that. But I'm super excited to bring this on vacation with me next summer. I just think it's gonna be perfect, and I'm so happy the order went through. So again, if you guys ordered from the LILLY after party sale, let me know in the comments down below what you guys got because I'm curious. But I also got a super cute PR package in the mail today, and I'm super excited about it. So I got this from PIXI, and this is my second PR package from them. Over the summer, I made a vlog in my summer vlog series about my first PR package, which was from PIXI. So like, they just will always have a special spot in my heart. And look how cute this is. It's like a little envelope. It is so cute, you guys, and it like opens up. It's like a little piece of mail, and the back of it looks like the back of an envelope with like the stamps and everything. So it says, to PIXI Lovely, a special delivery just for you. What color will you create? And you open it up, and I would love for you to mix your dream color and name it. I'm excited to see what you create. Share your photos with us on PIXI Beauty, and it just keeps opening like this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I saw this on someone's Instagram story this week, and I was like so excited about it because I was like hoping I would get it. It comes with all of these matte liquid lips. Look at every shade that is. That's gonna last me so long, you guys. I'm gonna have so much fun playing around with this. If you guys don't know, over on my Instagram, which is just at Kellyprepster, I do little makeup tutorials over there, and it's so much fun. And it looks like they have like these little things up here. I haven't opened this up. And you can like mix colors and create your own, and it comes with like a little stir. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is going to be so much fun. So it says, step 1, blend your own shade using colors provided in the PIXI jar. Post a video or image of you mixing your shade to Instagram and tag us. Fill the empty PIXI jar with your signature shade and send it back to us using the provided envelope. Ooh, you guys, I'm so excited about this. I feel like they have so many different colors, you guys. Look at this. We're gonna have to try one out right now. I'm feeling it. So since my nails are painted red, which I want to talk about, I picked up this Ezzy nail polish from Target yesterday, and this is in the shade Forever Yummy. But I painted my nails. It's a little dark for me because I'm used to like light white pinks and everything, but I'm kind of digging it. So we're gonna go with like a fun red color. how about this one? This is called Real Red. I'm excited about this, you guys. This might be a little dramatic with my curls, but we're gonna put it on. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. Okay. Oh, I got it on my teeth. Probably shouldn't have picked a red because I feel like red, you have to be like so precise when you put it on. Kind of missed a little bit over here, but it looks so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, I look so different with red lipstick on. But this is so soft. I don't even feel like I have lipstick on right now, to be quite honest. I'm super excited about this. You guys know I love like a classy like red lipstick with a big smoky eye and stuff. One of my favorite looks. So I'm super excited about this. There's so many different shades and I love how there's so many different like neutrals in here. You guys will definitely be seeing a lot of tutorials on Instagram with this. I know it, because like how fun is this? But I'm so excited. I can't thank you guys enough at PIXI Beauty for sending this to me and you guys for making all my dreams come true. You guys are seriously amazing. And if you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button because I'd love to have you guys over on my channel. And I hope you guys enjoyed this mini little unboxing thing. And oh my gosh, you guys, do you know how I've been obsessed with making friendship bracelets? I recently made this one and I just feel like the colors remind me of J.Crew. It's so cute. I need to figure out a way how to style friendship bracelets into the fall because I have so many of them now. But I hope you guys are having a great day. I'll be sure to keep you guys updated with anything else that happens today, but I seriously love vlogging. It's so much fun and I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog as well. So we are gonna go get some pumpkins now. I'm so excited because we're decorating our house for like fall. I don't know, it's like October now, so it's necessary. You know what I mean? Like my room's decorated. We're gonna decorate our like front porch and our back porch and like the first floor of our house and everything. I'm so excited. But we're gonna get some pumpkins. I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along with me and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit real quick. So I just have on this gray polo. It's just like a t-shirt. It's super soft. And then I have on these navy Lauren James shorts and they're super cute. They're high-waisted. They have like a little bow on them. And then I just have on my Sperry penny loafers and my gold Kate Spade watch. It's just like a super simple but cute outfit. It is definitely warming up. It's like 60 degrees outside, almost 70, and it feels amazing, but it's like perfect short weather and I just thought this would be like a fun fall-ish outfit, I guess. Here are little pumpkins, I'm so excited. So I feel like this vlog has had so many different outfits in it, but you know, that's what my whole account's about. So I'm going to be ending the vlog here. I'm going out tonight with a few of my friends and I thought I'd show you guys my final outfit of the day because this is what I'm wearing out. It's super cute. Do you see all these sequins on it? Your girl loves sparkles. So I'm going to show you guys my outfit, but then I'm going to end the vlog. So let's go check out this outfit. Okay, so I'm just wearing this sparkly sequin tank top. This is from Express. I bought it back when I was gonna go to France. I brought it to France and didn't wear it, but it's super cute. I love it. I just tucked it into my jeans because I figured that just like looks kind of cute. And then I just have on these high-rise skinny jeans from Abercrombie & Fitch. They're black. And my platinum Jack Rogers. I just love this look. Super fun, super cute. I figured it's perfect for a night out, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun bringing you guys along with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment down below if you have any other video requests for me. I do respond to all comments and I love being able to connect with all of you guys. If you guys haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button if you guys are new, because I'd love to have you guys over on my channel. But I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!